Today, we're diving into the heart-stopping, adrenaline-pumping world of the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye. This American muscle car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, a roaring testament to raw power and performance. Buckle up, because what we're about to explore is not merely an automobile, it's a symphony of horsepower, a journey into the very soul of high-performance driving. Underneath the sculpted hood of the Redeye resides a powerhouse, an imposing supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that stands as a testament to American engineering expertise. Generating an awe-inspiring 797 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque, this isn't your average car, it's a high-octane force of nature, waiting to be unleashed. As we delve into the mechanics, it becomes evident that the Redeye is a harmonious marriage of cutting-edge technology and pure muscle. The roar of the engine is not just a sound, it's a declaration, a sonic representation of the untamed power within. Acceleration, the true measure of any performance vehicle, propels the Redeye from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds. It's not just a number, it's a visceral experience that pins you to your seat, a symphony of G-forces that leaves an indelible mark on your senses. The quarter mile is conquered in 10.8 seconds, a brief yet exhilarating journey that encapsulates the essence of speed. But in the Redeye, it's not just about the destination, it's about the symphony of the drive, the perfectly tuned notes of power and control. Transitioning into the cockpit, we discover that the Redeye's interior isn't just functional, it's a testament to the marriage of comfort and style. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels like an extension of the driver, an instrument to conduct the symphony of the road. The available performance seats, meticulously designed, cradle you in a supportive embrace, ensuring that every twist and turn of the journey is not just an adventure but a comfortable one. And now, a quick call out to all our fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exhilarating automotive content. Now, let's cast our gaze upon the exterior, a visual masterpiece that fuses classic muscle car aesthetics with modern design finesse. The menacing front grille, flanked by dual air intakes, is more than just a design choice, it's a hint at the ferocity that lies beneath the surface. The wide-body design isn't just for show, it's a functional enhancement, accommodating wider tires that grip the road with tenacity, ensuring that the Redeye's performance isn't just raw power but a ballet of precision. But in the realm of high-performance driving, it's not just about speed and style, it's about control. Today, we explore the technology woven into the Redeye's DNA. The Uconnect infotainment system seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, providing not just connectivity but an extension of your digital life within the cockpit. Today, we revel in the immersive sound experience delivered by the available Harman Kardon audio system, understanding that a performance car isn't just about the engine, it's about the soundtrack that accompanies your journey. Safety, a paramount consideration, takes center stage as we explore the advanced features of the Redeye. From adaptive cruise control that adjusts to the flow of traffic to blind spot monitoring that acts as an extra set of vigilant eyes, the Redeye is not just a high-performance thrill but a sanctuary of security in the face of speed. Of course, the Redeye isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Today, we declare that driving isn't just a mundane task, it's an art, and the Redeye is our masterpiece. The roar of the engine, the thrill of acceleration, the attention-grabbing design, all elements that transcend the ordinary. Today, we've embarked on a saga of dominance, where every twist of the wheel and press of the pedal is a chapter in the epic tale of automotive excellence. In conclusion, the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye isn't just a car, it's a manifestation of automotive greatness. Today, we've delved into the symphony of power, precision, and passion that defines this American muscle legend. If you found this exploration as enthralling as we have, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exhilarating automotive content. Today marks not just the end of a journey, but the beginning of a saga. Stay tuned for more high-octane adventures.